creating content.
And whenever you are thinking about creating content, you feel like it's a big task and you are unaware how to get more sales.
So in this video, me and Prathamesh are going to talk about how content creation is important. Yes, but why is it important for a founder or a business owner himself or herself to know that all the marketing strategies, all the content strategies before they delegate it to someone else?
Go ahead, watch this video. Whenever you post a piece of content, even on organic Instagram or your ads, right? No matter where, no matter what content piece you are posting, either on organic or on ads, it works on the same principle, which is image AI image recognition model. So whatever is inside your video, so think about the elements, the sound effects, the music, the visuals, the text, the caption, the keywords, the hashtags, literally everything that you are adding in a video is actually taken up by algorithm. It's processed by machine learning, and it's going to tell you, like, it's going to suggest that piece of content to other people. So if you expect your video of food to go to some other different people, you are highly mistaken. The algorithm wants your video to be served to the right people. You just don't know how to create better videos. That's the problem. So आपकी वीडियो में सब चीज़ें रहनी चाहिए, whatever we talked about, the caption, the proper visual, right? And I'm not talking about the strategy of posting. I'm just talking from a very technical perspective कि वीडियो में क्या रहना चाहिए. Strategy we can discuss later on, but आपकी वीडियो में रहने चाहिए ये सब चीज़ें. A proper visual which is related to your audience, text caption based on a text caption on the in the video, right? The text overlay. There need to be a sound effect, a music, a written text format, which should have all of the keywords that are essential for serving to your audience. And you need to be, yeah, we'll talk about the strategy, everything else, right? But these are the technical things बहुत required है. If you want your videos, your posts to be served to the right people. That's how algorithms work.
Basically, तुम्हारी जो ICP है,
हाँ.
basically the people who you
What is
want,
ICP?
Ideal customer persona, or
Yeah.
let's say audience. Like,
Yeah.
if these are like the audience that you want to show your content, then you need to have some elements attached in your visuals, in your content.
Yeah.
So that वो उन्हें ट्रिगर करे, तुम्हारा एल्गोरिदम उन्हें ही ये सारी चीजें दिखाएगा जिन लोगों के एट्रीब्यूट्स तुमने अपने कंटेंट में लगाई है.
Yeah, yeah. So overall, people just forget it's all machine learning, it's all AI, which is actually reading all of the videos, all of the engagement of a single viewer. जो भी scroll कर रहा है your Instagram posts and everything, and they read all of the data. So it's very important for you to have all of the data in the video.
Let's say that my audience per se is someone who wants to get done with the marketing and sales so that it can work in the background.
Yeah.
By itself.
Yeah.
So that it's like a one time done thing कि अब ये हो गया. I don't want to put my brains here. वो अपने आप it's gonna work in my business's favor.
Yes.
Why? Because then they want to live their life in terms of maybe, I don't know, going to vacation, growing their business further and all those things.
Makes sense.
Now, if I show their desired state, like, going to vacation, working from anywhere, not worrying about all those things in my reels, my content, is it like, I am going to attract those audience?
Yeah. Because what happens is, as I said, the algorithm is going to pick up all of the elements inside elements. For example, if you post a reel about automating your business for your customers, right? And you are showing a laptop, a pool nearby, some trees, some beach, you are enjoying a pina colada, right? Cocktails. It's going to read all of those elements properly. And it's going to serve your particular video, your organic post, or your ad, does not matter, to that person who has previously interacted or shown interest for those elements.
So rather than just speaking about how to become a digital nomad or how to work from anywhere in the world, show them how to work from anywhere in
It's
the world.
literally everything. You need to talk about it, right? Verbally, you need to talk about it in the script. You need to show it visually, You need to also add the keywords in the caption. You need to also have a text overlay on the video.
Okay.
It's literally everything, right? It reads everything. It reads all of the photo, video, text, visual, literally everything. And I'm just mind blown by the power, right? It's so powerful. It has like billions and trillions of data points.
So tell me, is there a way for, see, a lot of these people that I know, me being someone in the same thing, that I don't like doing all these extra efforts and mehnat. I do it because I know it's required, but I don't enjoy it. So is there a way that, someone who knows that this is required, is aware that this is required, is still doing it, but then they can enjoy making content or doing the marketing for themselves through Instagram content?
Yeah, so see, if you do not like creating content, first of all, it's a basic necessity. I mean, it becomes very apparent. If you have a lot of money, if you have great advertising skills, you can just directly dive into ads as well. But still, even if you run ads, even if you post one content piece as an ad and you are hoping it will give you massive amount of results, you are highly mistaken, because there's a lot, there's a different science altogether for advertising. And even in that case, your creatives matter a lot, how you're showcasing all of these things. So first of all, as a business owner, you need to learn these things by yourself. Once you know all of these fundamentals, once you know how to do it, then you can think about whatever you don't like, you can delegate it to other people. But have a rough idea exactly how you're going about it. Maybe try it out for 1 or 2 months and analyze the data, what is going right and what is going wrong. And you have to double down on what is working. And we have to try it more times.
So tell me how important it is for a founder or the very core person of a business or anyone in the content creation thing, regardless if their content stands on their face or not, how important it is for them to first understand how everything works, like what is their strategy and everything. How important it is for them to do it rather than just simply hiring a third party agency and delegating the work to them, and they know nothing about what's my ICP, what marketing does my customer, what messaging will my customer resonate with, what does my audience want, all those things. How important it is for them, or is it fine if they just simply delegate it to some agency?
I mean, there was a quote, right, by Napoleon Bonaparte. If you want to get things done your way, you have to go in a war, right? So as a founder, you started your business, you made your business because you wanted to achieve some kind of things. And if you want to do it your way, at the start, you have to figure out how to do marketing by yourself, because in this day and age, all of the businesses are media businesses. And I mean, you are just deluding yourself if you are thinking, okay, there's no way that you cannot grow your business with social media, right? Social media is free. Instagram, Facebook is free. You can post organic content for free and you can get leads, you can get inquiries, you can get orders and sales through Instagram, through all of the other social media platforms. So it's just so important for you to understand the marketing aspects and just forget about marketing as such, because people think it's such a big thing, right? You have to get a degree, get an MBA or something. Does not work like that. Very simple. People just buy wherever the attention is flowing. So if you understand how to get people's attention, the right people's attention who can become your customers, right? If you are selling to a business and you are attracting the attention of a teenager, 18-year-old teenager, it won't matter. So you need to know how to attract the right person's attention, and just by getting that attention, you can monetize on top of it, right? And ChatGPT is there, prompts are there for you to understand who is your right person, who should get the attention from your content, right? You have to get their attention, the right people in your business, so that you can get more sales. As a founder, you need to figure this out by yourself. And then of course you can later down, you can hire a professional. Once you have all of your systems ready, you have your taste ready, your vibe ready for your business. So hope that answers your question.
Yeah. This is exactly what I tell most of the people that I come on a sales call with. Everyone's like, "Will you be doing things for us?" And then it's, I would like to opt in for a done for you service and all
Yeah.
those things. I essentially tell them, see, I don't mind giving you a done for you service. It's although it's priced at a premium price, like 1 or 2 lakhs, but I would suggest them, I always suggest them to do a done with you service wherein they themselves, there's a founder level understanding. Yes, you
Yeah.
can delegate it, yes, you can get everything done.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, it's your business. If you don't know your business, then I mean,
What's the point?
yeah, what's the point? Like you can build the product, service, everything, all the builder level activity. Yes, you can do it. But
Yeah.
you have to also get your hands dirty in the seller level activities. You
Yeah.
can't simply just give it to someone and expect that they will do wonders with it.
Yeah. So important. So important. Perfect. So, what would you like to say to the viewers?
To the viewers. So just a tip, small tip. I myself had a really hard time, creating content, getting into the zone, like getting into the mindset of okay, I need to create content. I mean, till date, I still have some friction before shooting a video on YouTube. I would make the script, I would do all the builder level things, layouting and scripting and everything, but the actual action part, like just putting a camera there and shooting, it is still a bit hard for me.
Yeah.
But I face it and I power through the entire thing, and then no matter if at all I've made a grammatical mistake, I still post it on YouTube or Instagram or whatever, because I know that is important for me right now. That's the whole reason why I got the initial clients without even having like a case study for them. The first 2 3 clients
Massive.
whom I booked, whom I who wanted to pay for my service and everything, who gained confidence in me, was because of my content. Because at that time I didn't have any case study to show it to them ki, see, I've done so much work for this, I've got so much results for this particular XYZ person or that particular XYZ person. So the only reason they had the confidence in me was because of my content. So yeah, that is very important. And I know it's going to be hard. I am not at all going to delude you that easy hai, ho jata hai, it'll happen. No, it won't. It's gonna come hard. But you just have to power through.
Yeah. So important. As I keep always saying, you were born to create content. You just don't know yet. Okay. Start posting content. Start messing up and start progressing. You only progress if you just mess up and you start doing it. Things won't happen if you just shy away from camera and you treat it like something else. It's a part of you, it's a part of your business, so start acting like it.
Yeah. On that note of messing up, I would just like to say that, so I, before even getting onto the current niche or the current offer that I am working on and everything, I had many ideas, and a lot of times, like most of them failed, right? And I still created content for it, and it is still there on my Instagram. And it's like, if you go back, you can see there are whatever that initially I started off as a design coach and everything. So there's content for that.
Yeah. Then there's
So
systems
yeah,
coach.
so yes, systems coach and all that, all those things. I mean, it's embarrassing for me right now, but yeah, it's funny as well. So the point that I wanted to convey is, it's okay if it's messy. It's okay if you don't wait to make really good content and
Yeah.
I post then. Don't wait. Just start doing it, and eventually you'll get better.
Yeah. And even from the journey from zero to wherever you are, it's all a document. You have to document the progress, right? Because that documentation of progress, as Garima also said, her initial client she got because of the content, because of the confidence that her clients got the confidence from her content, not just the case studies, right? So that progress, that documentation of the progress that you are making by creating content, that becomes your proof to show it to anyone you want, and they will pay money for you. So it's not just something that young guys do, young girls do. on internet. It's a money making activity, and if you want to pay your bills, if you want to make money, you have to do this as well.
very
It's as simple as that. Perfect. Stay tuned for the next videos. Like and subscribe for more such videos.